everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get some life in there. I'm Laura if you're new. Wyatt is the white puppy dog who's joining me today. Zena's the tan if you see her, but she's in semi-retirement, and Harvey's the kitty. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning, it is rainy, it is cold. Actually, it's Sunday afternoon. I really like doing this. It's actually almost 1 o'clock. 37 degrees, getting up to 40, lots and lots of rain. I think all the travel hit me today, so I had a hard time getting up, but I'm actually finally up and moving now. And for today's outfit, I am in all Loft. I have on Loft pants, Loft tank. This one is cropped. I wasn't quite expecting it, but it's so soft. So soft. And then I topped it off with this cardigan, which I don't even think I cut the tag off yet. I just threw it on as my top layer. For shoes, I have none on because I don't plan to go anywhere. And for jewelry, I just went with gold hoops. I'm hoping to work on this Stitch Fix box for you guys all today and to try to continue to organize my life since I was gone for so long. Back to work tomorrow, so lots to do. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is 47, getting up to 55. The sun is shining. It's cool outside, but it's actually nicer than I think it was all weekend. It rained. And just Wyatt joining me today. Zena's asleep. Harvey's blocking the door coming in from our garage. And my curator posted today. I thought it was another nice collection from Rachel Zoe, so please check that out. This one was the fall. I was thinking it was winter at first, but it's the fall curator. And for outfit of the day today, I have on a Zara outfit. You might remember this. Yeah, you might remember this from my Zara haul. Zara denim, Zara sweater, and then I paired it with a belt from Evereve. It's an Evereve belt from Trendsend, and Sam Edelman booties. And that is my outfit today. I just put on big gold hoops and my bracelet stack, and that's it. That's my outfit today, huh, buddy? Wyatt's been staying very close to me since I got back home, haven't you? Very close. Hope your week is starting off well, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is shining, it's 46, getting up to 56 today, so not too terribly cold. And just Wyatt joining me. It's like a mad rush, like for the end of the year, right? So it's already the 17th of December, and it just feels like we're trying to cram a whole bunch in because next week is Christmas, right? It has come so fast. So I feel like at work and personally, just trying to cram so much in between now and the end of the year. Hope you guys are doing well and that you are not trying to mad rush the rest of the year. For outfit of the day today, I have on pretty much a Wantable outfit. I have on hidden denim from a Wantable. I have on a daisy tee that I got, I think from, I definitely got it from a box, but I'm not even sure which one. I'm thinking either a Fashion or one that I don't do anymore or isn't even around anymore because it's pretty old. And then I paired it with this jacket from Steve Madden that is from a Wantable, you may remember. And then my shoes pull it all together so nicely, right? These are Vince Camuto, and they are from a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I put on Ana Luisa. So I have Ana Luisa hoops, Ana Luisa necklaces, and then my bracelet stack. And that is my outfit today. I got to get back to work, so I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. We made it to hump day, and my Z Supply video posted today. Such a good one, right? I love Z Supply. Their clothes are like, they take casual to the best level. I love it. And Wyatt's joining me. Zena's asleep with my son. It is a rainy, chilly-ish day. 42. Getting up to 42. So that's the high. It's about 1 o'clock, yeah, 12 o'clock, it's noon. Finally getting to this. And let's see, for today's outfit, I did like a casual with a twist outfit. I love this top with the mesh from Eve. So I did buy it directly from their site when they had their sale going on, I think over Black Friday. I thought this was such a nice like twist to a sweatshirt. Paired it back to Pistola denim. My shoes, you've seen many times. I love these by Dolce Vita. And I grabbed my Z Supply vest from today's haul, put that on because it's so chilly outside. And for jewelry, I have on my mom's necklace. I have on my big hoop earrings from Rocksbox and my bracelet stack. I'm ready to slay the day. All right, well, we're like a week, tomorrow's a week from Christmas, right? It's going fast. Hope you're all getting ready, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. Time for outfit of the day. I can't get anybody to join me today. It's just me. And, excuse me, it is 32 degrees outside, getting up to 36 for a high. So, winter's here. We still have, I think, another day or two to make it official, but it feels like winter for sure. And for outfit of the day today, I have on a Wantable top from Recycled Karma. My Bowie top. You might remember this. I'm wondering if you saw this video yet. I feel like you did, but I'm not sure. Since I was traveling, I'm all messed up on what I have scheduled when. But this is from Wantable. I also have hidden denim on from a previous Wantable, probably from last year. Paired it with these uber fun shoes you already saw this week because they're just easy slip-ons. And when I'm not going to be going I'm in and out of my house a lot, I love a slip-on. And then I topped it off with this amazing jacket. This is from Lieth that I think I got in a trunk club once upon a time. I love this. Just pops the color. For jewelry, I just put on gold hoops today. I didn't put anything else on except for a bracelet, and that's it. That is my outfit. And that's a wrap on Thursday. But tomorrow is Happy Dance Day, so I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday. That came really, really fast. Why? It's time for Happy Dance. We skipped it last week. The last 2 weeks, I think, is all messed up, huh? You ready for Happy Dance? You are such a good boy. Let's do Happy Dance for everybody. We made it. It's another Friday. It is the Friday before Thanksgiving. See, I don't even know what month it is. It's the Friday before Christmas, which is already next Wednesday. How is that possible? How is that possible, huh? I don't know. Wyatt's got his gifts. He's checked his list. Yep, he's ready to go. I think I am now too. I'm waiting for a few more things to come in, but I think I'm ready. It is early in the morning this morning. Still dark outside at about 7:45. 33 degrees, only getting up to 37, so the cold continues. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I have on Pistola pants, a Z Supply tee, remember from my latest haul. I topped it off with this amazing jacket from Marrakech I got so long ago in a Trendsend, but I love it. It is one of my very favorite all-time jackets. I love this shirt, the lining, but it does come off. I just love everything about it. Put on tennis shoes today. Yes, I'm super comfy. These little slide on Dolce Vita from the... I saw them on the Eve site and fell in love with them. I can't remember who I actually got them from, but I love them. All right, and for jewelry, I don't have much on. I have on gold hoops and Ana Luisa necklace. I have on my crystal bracelet, and I think that is it for today. Quick update on my dad. So, I told you he moved back home the Friday after Thanksgiving, and he's been doing really, really well. Hopefully the punch list items will get resolved today. We will see. But he's acclimated, fantastic. He's doing really well being back in his own space. So super glad that has gone so smoothly, and hoping it continues. So huge thank you to all of you who have been sending me all kinds of good wishes to get him back to his normal way of living and not in our basement anymore, and for all the love and prayers you guys sent my way after his fire. So I really appreciate it. And I will catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is Saturday morning, 8:30, 23 degrees outside, getting up to 31, and I'm headed to the mall with my friend. So kind of excited. I have some returns and I have a pickup, so I do have a purpose. And my Wantable holiday style edit posted today. It was such a good one, right? So I ended up returning 2 things. I know I returned the, I returned the sweater, the cardigan sweater that had the purpley in it because I owned one that was similar-ish. And I returned the Z Supply stitch trim shirt jacket. Those are the 2. So I kept the shiny little tank. I kept the cream pants. They fit so nice. I love those. I feel like I can wear those in the spring. I kept the black Dear John as well. I kept the fun t-shirt. I just thought it was cute. And I kept the skirt from Z Supply, which I loved, the silk skirt. Yeah, and that was everything. And for today's outfit, and do you notice I'm all by myself because Lieth is still in bed, Zena's in bed, Harvey's all over the place. I couldn't get anyone to come in with me today, so it's just me to close out the week. And for today, I have on Pistola denim with these very cute little heart stitching through them. It's not obnoxious. I'm going to get up, maybe you can see it hopefully in this version, how you can see the little cute hearts on them. And a Loft long sleeve tee, a vest from White House Black Market that I'm in love with, that you might remember from my haul. I have put on a Loft belt, and then these fun Donald Pliner shoes. Are these not the most fun shoes you've ever seen? So they have like that Mary Jane kind of look to them, but they have a little sparkle and gold and the snake, and they're just so yummy. For jewelry, I have on hoop earrings and an Ana Luisa necklace and my bracelet stack. And I think I'm ready to go. All right. This wrap on this week's outfit. I'll list them all down below. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which boxes. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.